Hey, good morning, everyone. Oh my God, it's when the data lockdown, so I just woken up. Gosh. So, and surprisingly, my breakfast is ready. So, let me give you a little my morning, my late, because it's already 10 and I've just woken up. Oh, let me go and wash my face. Oh, good. Now we are done. Some person can go and take some breakfast. Now let's go take some breakfast. Oh, I have this blow. It kills me. Don't know when I'm getting my breakfast. Some macaroni with some tea, black tea. Hey, hey. Um, oh, done with my breakfast. Now I have to lay my bed. I do the opposite. Instead of waking up, then I do the opposite. So, so as you can see, I have a lot of. I just watched yesterday. Now I have a lot of clothes and to fold. A lot. Oh, but let me just them before iron and then a little bit. Oh, so I have a bad cough. Recommended medicine cause serious. I'm tired of coughing. So as I was telling, I need to fold. I washed yesterday, so I need to fold my clothes to hire. To hire seriously, and that's the thing I hate, ironing, and yet I have to iron because I can't be with this is too much. So guys, tell me what are you guys like doing this time of lockdown, in Uganda? We're in the second lockdown. Oh my god. We're in the second lockdown. Things are hard, but because of for our own good and health, we have to bear with it because now we are not working, not going to work. Roadblocks are everywhere. I just don't know. We have we have to stay at home for the 42 days because that's I need to make myself busy because it gets, what can I say, it gets tiresome, boring. You know how I'm supposed to work in your home. Gosh, I can't, because you can come inside the house, get out of the house, come back, move around the neighborhood, but hours are not moving. I just know it's not only that day, you have another day because it's like a full month. So this section of the life, would you like me to? Then we enjoy, you know? Like, ooh, I love my countries. So you tell me, how is the lockdown guys that taking you? Those other people in other countries, those who are still in the lockdown, how is it there? Mine, it has just started. But let's keep going till God will God is always with us, and we'll go through this. We will go through this. Nothing. It's not. Ooh, doo, 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 doo. So I'm now done with folding my clothes. I put them on my stand. What next? I think this video today. I shut and see what's out there. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and tell me what videos do you want me to, what video you need to do. Is some idea how it's come because